Are you looking for your perfect holiday home by the sea? Then check this Willerby Manor out.
So as you come in, as you can see, it's a nice and open plan. With it being 2020 model, it is almost new, and you can still feel the newness whilst you're in here. Nice set of 5-ring gas hob. You've got your integrated microwave and then lots of preparation. Again, space in the kitchen. Lovely little freestanding dining table. This sofa does house a sofa bed. This one is a 2-bedroomed and it does sleep 6 people. It's available to be sited on any Blue Anchor Leisure holiday park. So our holiday parks are situated in Skegness, Winthorpe, Inglemouse, Chapel St Leonard's and also Mablethorpe. We have a really good variety, guys. We have some parks that have countryside views but they're close to the beach. We have some parks that have swimming pools, children's entertainment, adult entertainment and numerous children's parks around the actual holiday park as well. And we also have the exact opposite, holiday parks with nothing on them, if you just want peace, quiet and tranquility. So we find everybody likes a little bit of something different, which is why us salespeople are here. We do have 13 at Blue Anchor Leisure and we are here to help and advise you on what you say you want and need out of a holiday home, so that you can pick the right park for you and your family to holiday for years to come. So if you would like any information on any of our holiday homes or any of our holiday parks, please call Georgie. My number is 0787 4910033 and I'll be really happy to help. We do have over 60 homes in stock at one time, so if this one isn't the one you're looking for, I may have something that is. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and follow, and I look forward to hearing from you. Have a fabulous weekend. Speak soon. Thank you.